the null hypothesis. First thing we need to do is pull out the data we're going to use in the test statistic formula. Looks like the population mean is 71.2 pounds. This population standard deviation is 8.3. He weighed 50 of these kids, so that's the sample size, and his sample mean was 73.0. So there's the data we need. So let's label the null hypothesis. It states that the mean weight of these kids is 71.2. The alternative hypothesis, the doctor is stating that it is no longer 71.2. So let's go ahead and use our standardized test score, fill in the known values. We get a z-score. We got to be careful here because this one is a not equal to problem. So when it's not equal to, we multiply 2 times the probability that the random variable is going to be greater than the absolute value of the z-score. That's what that means. We do a little bit of math, and we get 0.1236. Let us double check this 0.9382 real quick. So 154. Z-table 1.5 up to the 4, 0.9382. That is firm. Let's double check it in Microsoft Excel. Pick a cell, any cell. Go to function bar. Make sure you're in statistical. Go to norms dist. Click OK. And it's 1.54. Click OK. Because it's greater than, you're going to subtract it from 1. Click OK. And because it's 2 times that, we're going to just go ahead and put 2 times that whole norm dist thing up there. And that's going to give us our probability. There it is right there. So that's close enough for me. Now let's look at this again as a confidence interval. Remember, if it lands within the confidence interval, that means that the null hypothesis is probably true to start with. Remember, that is the function of the confidence interval. Okay. Now with 0.1236, it's going to be greater than the cutoff values, so it looks like it's going to fall somewhere in that confidence interval. So let's go ahead and finish this problem. So we have a alpha level, which is less than the calculated p-value. So if the critical p-value is less than the calculated value, we make our decision. We do not reject the null in this case. So we're done. And so let's go party like 1999.
MGZ, out.